Hi boys and girls, we're going to do some comparing the charts, the differences between what it looks like when we do area and when we do perimeter. Then we're going to take the number of tiles and we're going to use 10. And does that make it easier when we do base 10? Or is it the same because you follow the same formula? I'm going to do a lot of investigating today, so let's get ready. I've put together the 3 tables for the total number of tiles with 4 tiles across, 5 tiles across, and 6 tiles across. From your discussion in the last class and by looking at this table, what can you tell me about how the total number of tiles increase as you add a row of tiles? What's the same about the total number of tiles increasing in each of the 3 situations, and what's different? This is when I want you to stop the tape and I want you to look at them. I want you to have a really good discussion with your partner of what do you see. I want you to put your final answer in your journal and what you see. How are the rules alike is a question I'd like you to answer. What if I built a rectangle that had 7 tiles? Would there be some things that are the same about the rules, or would there be some things different? If you need to, then we would even look at pages, the chart, and I put together the 4 or 5 using the tile graph, line graph for you. Can you see the differences there? And remember, these are all area. Now we're going to look at the relationship between the 4 tiles, 5 tiles, and 6 tiles. When it is perimeter, does that change things? I think our formula changed, so I'm looking for differences there. So in your journal, write perimeter and stop the tape. Discuss what you're noticing. How are things the same? How are things different? What would your formula be? Look at all those things. I have it here. When you get that done, I would like you to look at both area and perimeter. Write how they're the same, how they're different. What are you noticing happens with the line graph? Is it going to happen every time? Once you have that all filled in, this is going to be a lot of your explaining, but the more you explain, the more I know you understand this concept, so we can move on and try some more things. When you get that done, I would like you to get out pages 39, 40, 41, because I would like you to try and do 42, 43, and 44. One is area with 10 across, and one is perimeter. It seems like a lot, but once you know the formula, I think you can rock right through it. I would like you to also do it totally on your own, number 45. Decide what order of operations you should use to finish those story problems. Don't forget to label them. This lesson may take you more than 1 day. That's okay. I would like understanding, so go deep, go to work.